I don't know. Now, good morning, everyone from Edos State. They see people use the insult Bobrisky. They say talk something. I don't want to talk the thing because I don't want at all. I don't want anything. I don't want. Say me Edos. That thing where Bobrisky just talking. Maybe she don't drink. She just come for her mouth. Even our big palace. If not be the one that take career, people na social media, many things they happen. Now they hear so. Na social media, our greatest, you don't know say for social media now. Say many people they, they care again. But the way una Edo people take carry the matter,
Those don't come bust everywhere. Mary Edo say why Edo people go talk to Bobrisky. My people, oh. Maybe Edos not be problem you want cause to yourself. So how you go talk? Say why we go talk to Bobrisky? Say when we leave Bobrisky. Now because we can't they talk now make Bobrisky now can't they popular, my people. Bobrisky he don't very popular before now he mat now he memera. Bobrisky go talk say me our oba come marry am even though say na joke. That is a very very expensive joke, my sister. That joke was too expensive. My people, how una raising this matter? Mary Edos na another thing na you just can't talk. He mad wetin he talk for this video my man no go fit talk am o. Ma put am on a list, my people. Before una start to dey watch, abeg make una subscribe and make me share the video. Let the video go viral and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
Well, I don't know. Now, good morning, everyone from Edo State. They see people use the insult Bobrisky. They say talk something. I don't want to talk the thing because I don't want at all. I don't want anything. I don't want. Say me Edos. That thing where Bobrisky just talking. Maybe she don't drink. She just come for her mouth. Even our big palace. If not be the one that take career, people na social media, many things they happen. Now they hear so. Na social media, our greatest, you don't know say for social media now. Say many people they, they care again. But the way una Edo people take carry the matter, some of una, it be like say, they swear for una. Even big bloggers, or Asabo or something, I don't forget that blogger name. See the whole of now they talk. Una call they make Bobrisky the popular. They call they put our greatest picture for that. They swear for una. Most Edo people, some of them they swear for una. Now shame say this small thing will not share anything. They swear for una Edo, many of Edo people. Iya wa seto de na wa mwebog bu wa ye mitamita. Ehwe mugwa. Enya gbonu wa blog, wa una no blogger. Roland Ehoy. omoada, when small picking, he call the mother, they follow great house. Now thief. If they thief since we start to the hold that thing for Oba, for our Oba. I not see any Edo useless youth, we blogger. The make una carry as the go na take carry Bobrisky something so. You people Edo youth, and most of you are cursed from your mother's womb. You see my mouth at the talker. Now truth. Iya tie bonugwa kegbe kujugwa de kosugwa oku agbe. Roland Ehoe, we suppose see for social media. Youth suppose even verse, wait, as in a God there self a bit Roland Ehoe, so that nobody will fit try that nonsense again. If to say it can't kill our great palace, wait, if to say something can't happen, or something, wait till I for talk. Now be mumu, a way of walking. I will not go ever change. I go be like this. When I go die, and it's obvious. Roland Ehoe will not know what it can happen to her again. We not hear again. Now only rat up. Ugwa. Only rat up. We not see the Roland Ehoe when I yagbe as have you be a more have a metan here. Nothing like that. Where are the youth? All of now all the boys now when they say they want keep Bobrisky, wanna be fool. Even old men when they use less for that they don't say. No. The bad things one they do for Edo State for there. Now they talk that one. Common social media nonsense where people all they do. Now I can't carry. They really caution now most Edo people. They caution now. Not be like talk. Especially the men. Most of now they caution now from now. Where ko wa waje and I'm a bogwa. Why what to yeah, bonny the one. Wow. Roland Ehoe, all of them are supposed to rush and that social media say, what would they hear so? Omada, Oji, Anya, why am I a queen? Amaho. No, Amaro, but my say. You are lorry. Omano wa great house you are ye. Ona wa go barrier when here. Wamago was a loba said, or my poison rima. Wama, una not do anything. May I tell you, many things they happen. Way worse pass that Lord as they talk so for Edo State. That darkness. Many things still they happen. We be say innocent people. Anyhow. If I lie, old fools. The old fools they do bad for that Edo State. Edo State. The young boys, now the young boys, the old fools say they work. Now see una life. Make una cause Bobrisky again. I'll come cause una. Idiot. Ooh, our mozo. Our legogoro. I will say baba. I say chair. They say your governor. Your governor is the most useless governor in Nigeria. Edo State governor. Governor Bcuz is not the most useless governor in Nigeria. Look at Akwa Ibom, Calabar governor. Go see Galaba. Oh, you want to be like Europe. Both of Edo State governor. The most useless governor of Nigeria. Edo. Anything Edo, stupid. Now, stupid thing that they fight for. Fight for your rights as a citizen of Edo State. But no. Why have a red copy here? Ogogoro, master, wahayeki. Say, Baba, I say, chair there. Nothing do you, sir. Ha! We're there with you. Ozwo. Away. Mona leave Bobrisky alone. Leave her alone. No get for amu wa. Wa mi tun. O eku wa mu eku. Hi! I dey shame. Una shame dey shame Mary Edos. See governor. As he useless for Edo State. See Edo State governor. See as everything be for Edo State. All states for Nigeria go good. Edo State, no good. You know why? Because the citizens of Edo State, majority of them are cursed from their womb, from their mother's womb, especially the men. Oh, now lie the talk. Old man go just keep us for Edo State. Now you do. If I lie, Edo State there. Now useless thing don't come. They say, Bobrisky, you say what? Bobrisky, you say what? No, people are not popular enough for nothing. Fools, now so na foolish.